and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with gain next 1200. Okay. Okay, guys, this is Ganex 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. It is a custom made indicator which helps you to know the direction of the trend and your entry point and your exit point. Okay, this started an uptrend right from here. You can see the yellow flag. It indicates that the market is on uptrend at this point, and of course, you can see it kept on going up till it got to this resistance zone. Was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend. And I told you guys in the morning, if you watch my video in the morning, now once it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, you can see it gave us an assurance again that this is going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so we expect more selling than buying right there. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, this is GainX 999 still on 15-minute time frame. This got to the support zone, tried to go back on uptrend but was unable. I mean, had not been able to go there successfully. So, and it has also not been able to break out below this particular support zone. It will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend and it be targeting this region again. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, that is when it will go back on buy trend. We should watch out for that. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. This had been on uptrend for a very long time. It has not been able to break out above this resistance zone, so it's trying to go back on downtrend. Okay, so we expect more of a selling opportunity right from there than our a buying opportunity. Text, if it breaks out above the resistance zone, that is when it's going to buy more. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, this is Paynex 999. This has been on downtrend for a while. Broke out from this particular support zone and it has got into a new support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it should change the direction of the asset of the market into an uptrend. But if it breaks out below it, it will sell more. Okay, so we expect more buying from there, except if it breaks out below the support zone. That is when it's going to sell. Okay, then the next asset, which will happen to be the last one, is going to be FX volume 80. This had been on uptrend for a while, but got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it started selling right from there. Okay, I'm going to see this as a pullback, but it is a major one. And of course, if it gets to this region and it breaks out from there, then it's going to sell more and may likely get to this region. But if it does not break out from here, it will go back up to try out this resistance zone again and see if it can break out from there. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is done with the pullback. Okay, so this is all that we have for today. So all you just need to do is just for you to have a better understanding of how it works, the analysis, and you apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.